My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called CrYpt, C-R-Y-P-T. This is a ransomware that may damage the files considerably. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this CrYpt ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this CrYpt ransomware, CrYpt. CrYpt is the extension appended to the file names. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note, and it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. The ransom note is called info.txt. And also another message pops up indicating the same ransom note. You should not pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing, so don't pay that ransom. What we recommend you to do immediately is to remove this ransomware urgently. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be damaged by the ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin after the anti-malware database is successfully updated. Now, the scanning duration itself depends on various factors. It may depend on how many threats are on the system. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders which would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature called anti-ransomware is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. So consider premium license, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware.